table is set up, it's okay, and you can breathe. I can breathe. I can put it, make it higher if you need to.
Okay. Hi guys. Hey Ann, hey Amy Lynn, hey Melissa. We're in for a challenging treat today because they snatched Liam from me, so we're doing this by hand. Hey Ardith, hey Ronnie, hey Crystal, hey Diane. So, for all you guys, just so you know, she has been numbing my face. I have a numbing cream on that she's going to be wiping off. This is just numbing the top layer of my skin, so it don't hurt. Hey Marissa, hey Trisha, hey Jessica, hey Julie, hey Brittany, hi guys. Now, just so you guys know, this is OBGYN approved. She's using my own blood and my plasma on my face, so it's completely safe. I do have that in the description as well, and I do have their Instagram and Facebook as well in the description, so if you guys want to check them out in Tampa, if you're in Florida, or follow them, because they are doing a Botox you said?
Yes.
Botox giveaway soon, so make sure to follow them because who doesn't want some free Botox? You need the location where? Well, I have it all in the description, so you can go follow them and check them out. Hey Jacqueline. Thank you, Addie, for voting. So she is just back there setting it up. That clear syringe is my own plasma. She drew my blood out of me earlier, so that's what they're going to be putting back into my skin. 350, right?
This 325.
No, I'm not getting any lightning done. We'll wait till after baby time.
Cannot.
Yeah, I can't do that. Hello. Alright, so she's going to get me comfy and... Want me to lay back?
Yeah, go ahead like that. Let me know if you are comfortable that way.
Yeah, it should be fine. Alright. I've done this once before. Thank you, Orion. So do you want to tell them what this will do and everything like that?
Yes, and they're ready. So they know what we're doing, right?
Yeah.
They know that we're doing a PRP facial or vampire facial. So this is really good to stimulate collagen and elasticity on your skin. So it'll improve the texture of her skin, pore size will be reduced, and then if you have, sometimes you have discoloration or sun damage, it will help you with that as well. If you have acne breakouts or acne scars, it will also help you improve the texture of the scars and the appearance of them. I actually like this treatment a lot. The main reason why I like it is because it's an aggressive treatment, but it's very natural. So even for a pregnant patient, we are able to use it because we're using nothing but your own plasma. So it's very safe to do, although we did ask her to run it by her OBGYN just to make sure that he gave her a green light. And he approved, obviously, that's why she's here.
Yeah, so it's just my own plasma. So she drew my blood earlier, and then she numbed my face. Feels so weird. She's wiping all the cream off, and it feels all weird.
Alright, so normally when you guys come in, we have to numb you for about 15-20 minutes just to make sure that this is comfortable for you. And we did use a thin layer on her just to make sure that she's comfortable throughout the treatment. And then now I'm making sure that everything is off. And then I'll double clean her, and then we'll start with the treatment. Treatment actually doesn't take more than, what, maybe 15-20 minutes?
Yeah, it's a quick treatment. How much does the treatment cost?
It's $375 right now. And if you've never done it before, we recommend you do it more than one in the beginning. So there's a series of 3 that we recommend you do. You do 1 every month. And then you just do a touch-up like her whenever you feel like you need one. Making sure that everything is
Yeah, my last one was, gosh, like maybe April or May, so it lasted me a while. And my sister, I remember when she saw me for the first time after, she's like, "Did you get Botox?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "Your skin looks so good." I'm like, "The vampire facial." Do you guys do lip filler here?
Yes, we do.
They do. But yeah, it's safe. I got this approved by my OBGYN. All they did was took my own blood out of me, and she's putting my own blood back. Hello, but if any questions you guys have, ask away. I'm going to try to answer them best I will. Ask her to answer them best I can. Hi guys. Make sure you follow them because they are doing a Botox giveaway soon. I have her Instagram and Facebook in the description, so you guys can follow them. So the facial is going to like tighten my pores, make my skin look a lot more youthful. It helps with acne, she said, marks in my face, discoloration. So it just kind of gives me the youth again. It doesn't really hurt because she numbs my face. So I'm just going to feel the vibration of like the needle. It's almost like a shader needle. If you're like ever got a tattoo done before.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Ready. Here we go, guys. Liam's here, but he's getting his teeth whitened. I can't get my teeth whitened, but he can, so he's getting his teeth done. Here we go, guys. But if you guys are in Florida or Tampa, come see her. She's amazing. Doesn't even hurt at all. Look at that. So she just squeezed the plasma back on my forehead, and she's just putting it in. It's called the vampire facial. Thank you, Alexis. Can it be extended for the neck and jowls?
Yes, you can. You can extend it to the neck, and you can take it all the way down to the decolletage.
Oh wow. Does it help with crow's feet?
It does. Anything that's that needs collagen and elasticity, you're gonna see help with this. Superficially, obviously, if you need something deeper, then now we need to talk about laser or we need to talk about injectables. It depends. But yes, I love this treatment. It's one of my favorite things to do.
And it doesn't hurt. What is that machine you're using?
It's a microneedling machine. It's a micro pen.
It just feels like vibration because she numbed my face, so I really don't feel anything. But it's kind of like a shading tattoo machine, if like that would be a good way to describe it. I've seen some people do this on their own at home. Is this safe? My God.
Well, if you do it at home, normally the things that you can buy to do this at home don't go deep enough. So for something superficial, you could. Just be careful not to cause scarring on your face. Because if you do it too deep, not knowing what you're doing, then you'll have a bunch of scars.
Yeah, we're just worth it. Go see somebody. So my face will feel tight afterwards. I'm not going to wash my face until tomorrow, so I'm going to look like creepy. So when we bake tomorrow, guys, you'll get to see what I look like. What is the best facial to get for a beginner?
What was the question?
What's the best facial to get as a beginner? Someone's saying that she'll be in Tampa in 2 weeks.
As a beginner to get something done?
Mm-hmm.
Well, first of all, it depends on what is it that she wants to get treated, you know? Because if she wants to treat something mild, like a mild acne breakout, then we could do a facial with microdermabrasion, or we can do a mild chemical peel. Or sometimes you can do this without plasma. It depends on if you have scarring or not. So answering that question is pretty difficult because we haven't seen her, so we don't know what is it that she's concerned about. If she just wants to do a facial to clean up her skin, then get a hydrating facial or an acne facial, and they'll get all the gunk off of your pores and send you home super clean. If there's nothing that you're concerned about.
They took blood from my arm to get the plasma. No, it won't be painful now.
It doesn't hurt.
Mm-mm.
I mean, I do this to myself in front of a mirror.
That's crazy. Yes, this will help acne treatments, right, you said?
Yes, it does. You mean this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Acne breakouts, really good for acne scars. And the pore size.
What kind of facial would you need to target fine lines and pores?
This would be a really good one. You can combine this with vitamin C as well if you have sun damage. But this is for pore size and texture of the skin and fine lines and wrinkles. This is the best thing to do. If you want to do something that's going to last you a while, not something foo-foo that's going to wear off in a couple of weeks.
Well, Caroline, you're in Sarasota, definitely book her. I drive 2 hours to see her, so you're even closer. She is in Tampa. This is $375 to get done, guys. But like I said, like for me, I mean, everyone's different. This lasted me over 6 months. Some people might need it sooner, but for me, it lasted.
So last one on this side, and then I'm going to go down to your chin.
Okay. Like higher? Is
No,
it
that's okay.
This is a vampire facial. Can you do it if you have rosacea?
Yes, you can. Actually helps reduce the appearance of rosacea. You might get pink like this or more if you have rosacea the day of the treatment. But yes, you can.
Oh, I'll be able to technically wear makeup, what you said, tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes.
I'm going to let my face chill a few days, but it heals really quick.
Today, she can't touch her face. She needs to leave it on and leave the plasma on until tomorrow. And then tomorrow she can wash it off. And then if she needs to put some makeup on, then tomorrow she can.
What's a good treatment for someone with hydrangeous subcortical, HS?
Laser hair removal first. Because laser hair removal removes the follicle permanently, and it also shrinks the size of the oil gland so you don't have as many breakouts. One of the first things your dermatologist is going to recommend if you have HS is laser hair removal.
Does this help produce more collagen?
Yes. This is actually what we're doing right now. And you can achieve that by only doing microneedling if you wanted to, which is this. And then here we have a bunch of growth factors. So this is enhancing the collagen and elasticity that we're stimulating from the microneedling. So this is like you bringing more workers into the construction area, I guess. If it makes any sense.
How much blood did you draw?
Just a small tube of 8 cc's. So 8 to 10 cc's.
The machine itself is making little like what microscopic holes in my face.
Yeah, so it has micro needles in it. I don't know if they can see it. So the needles are going in and out very quickly. So we're creating millions of channels on her skin. So by the time I go back and apply more plasma gets absorbed deeper into her skin and she gets more benefits off of it. That's what we're doing. And that this also stimulates inflammation. And the inflammation, that redness, is what wakes up the platelets that we have here so they can give you what you want.
Can you do this if you're diabetic?
Yes. We're not creating any open wounds. So you don't have an issue with healing, especially if you have severe diabetes. So yes, you can.
No, it does not hurt at all, guys. She numbed me before, so I feel like the nose is the weirdest part because I can feel like the vibration, but that's it.
If you need to sneeze, let me know.
Okay. Ooh, you can feel air conditioning now. Yes, it's my own plasma. She drew it out of me earlier. I just put the mask over my face, guys. It's that easy. But I'm just going home after this, so No problem for me.
I'm gonna go a little close to your eyes.
Okay.
I'm trying to. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm. Look at that, we're almost halfway done already, guys.
So you're not gonna.
It was just a numbing cream. What about someone who has chronic urticaria?
Urticaria?
Maybe, yeah.
Like hives?
Maybe, I don't know. I saw that word.
If you have hives, then you're gonna get very red after the treatment. But yes, you can. There's very little that will prevent you from being able to do this treatment. This is your own plasma. You're not gonna have an allergic reaction to it. You're not gonna have anything cuckoo happen to you because it's you. That's the beauty of it. It's a pretty good treatment and it's very safe.
Oh, it's, guys, this is like the most simplest thing in the world. It does not hurt. And honestly, like afterwards, my foundation goes on like butter. It's crazy. Like, it's like I have a whole new face. And no, my face isn't sore afterwards. It'll feel tight. Like I almost put like one of those like skin tightening masks on. Isn't this cool? Don't forget, guys, please like and follow both of us and spread the love. And if you guys follow them, because she's going to be doing a Botox giveaway soon, so that's pretty awesome. Is this good for people who have eczema?
Eczema is something different. Eczema is like dermatitis, so it's kind of like an allergy in the skin. So it's really not going to help you with eczema. You can do it even if you have a history of eczema, unless you have a breakout in the area that we want to treat. But it's really not going to help you treat eczema, no. Chin up.
But no, it doesn't hurt, guys. The numbing cream does wonders. This is microabrasion, right? Is that what you said?
Microneedling.
I'm trying my best.
Am I bothering you?
No. Someone's like, thank you for answering a question. She's really inexpensive because like when I first looked at vampire facials, I got like scared when she like suggested it to me. So when she told me $375, I was like, oh, thank God. Some places are crazy expensive.
You're almost there.
We're almost there. The redness, I'll be like fine tomorrow. Because a lot of the redness too is like this little irritation and like little blood, you know.
And this helps you heal faster, the plasma. So by tomorrow, once you wash it off, it'll basically look like you have maybe a mild sunburn.
Yeah, it's not bad. You guys will see tomorrow. But no, it's going to tighten my pores, get rid of the lines on my forehead, and really give me like a more youthful face. So if you wear makeup, this is like amazing for you because your makeup is going to look so much more like flawless and natural than it would. Like I said earlier, my sister thought I got Botox done, but it was just this, you know? Yeah, that's the plasma in the syringe. But it's my own plasma.
Isn't it pretty?
It's called the vampire facial because, like, I guess because it's your own blood and you bleed.
Yep. I think that's basically it.
Any restriction on beauty regimen after this treatment?
Yes, for a whole week, you're not supposed to use anything medicated that would potentially irritate the skin. So no glycolic acid, salicylic acid, none of that. No retinol products. Just gentle cleansers, plenty of moisturizer, and sunblock. And then a week after, you can go back to your normal routine. Makeup is okay to use the day after.
Some Nutri of Life serums, guys. Can someone with lupus get this done?
Yes, depending on if it's affecting the skin on the face. If there's an active breakout at the moment, then we shouldn't. But other than that, yes, you can.
What lasts longer, this or Botox?
Well, they both target different things. Botox will target the movement of the muscle, right? And Botox takes about 3 or 4 months to wear off. This targets collagen, so this is texture of the skin, and it takes about 6 months or so for you to need another one. Normally I take about 6 to 8 months to repeat it again. So technically speaking, the results of this will last you longer, but you're doing 2 different things. Does that make sense?
Yeah. How come when Kim Kardashian got this done, she had blood all over and says it was the most painful experience ever?
Well, because remember that she does a TV show, and then there needs to be some drama involved in the whole thing for you guys to watch it.
Yeah, true. Maybe they didn't number. Maybe they didn't like her.
I don't think it's that bad.
I'm sure she gets it done all the time. You guys know me though. I'm the biggest baby. You've seen it. You saw my lips get done. This is nothing. Right? She's over dramatic. Hi, Bobby.
The last tiny little bit that we have left, liquid gold, so we don't want to waste it.
How long do I stay out of the sun? Well, I never go in the sun, but what, a week at least you'd say?
You have to be very careful for a week. I mean, you still have to be careful on week number 2, but the first week you have to be very anal about if you're going to be in the sun, you need to put your sunblock on, reapply every 2 hours, because we don't want to damage our masterpiece, right?
Would this help with dark circles under the eyes?
Oh yes, it does. It does. That's one of the main reasons why I do it. And so we're not really technically supposed to say that it's meant specifically for that, but the majority of us see improvement around the eyes.
Hi.
Oh, look what it
Thank
is.
God. Okay, Liam's gonna finish. So you can flip the camera.
How did you do?
All good?
Oh my God, they're burning. Well, it's so good. So you can read questions.
Alright.
Did you figure it out?
What? Yeah, I figured out how to flip it.
Boom. You
But-
survived.
Does the plasma smell?
No.
Okay.
Thanks for saving us the last 2 seconds.
For me.
Alright.
You're all set.
I'm all set, so you just get up.
Yes, you
It was 300?
375.
375, okay.
Alright, you know what to do and what not to do, right?
Yep, so wash it off after 24 hours.
24 hours, so just leave it there until tomorrow and just leave it the longest you can. And then after that, don't use anything medicated. Well, you can't use anything medicated anyway,
Yeah.
you're pregnant, huh? So, and then just a gentle moisturizer in your sunblock.
Okay.
So do you want to wait until it dries out?
Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, I can do that.
Myself? Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Do you guys have any questions? We'll give it a second, see if anyone else
There's a lot of highs to me, so.
Oh. We have to steal the spotlight. See if there's
Sorry.
any questions. Just make sure you guys follow her Facebook and Instagram. She has like giveaway coming soon.
We're very excited about that giveaway because we're going to give away some motion. I hope I get it. Because I need some detox. Okay. Alright.
I guess we're good. I guess we're good.
Alright, so come out. If you have any questions, come and get me. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
I'll see you outside.
You want to give it to me now?
Come on.
Here.
Oh, I'll give it to you already.
Here, she's together. Here, hold on, guys. Alright, let's see these pearly whites. Whoa! That's all we get to see?
I'm opening my mouth.
I would assume insurance would not cover it. What?
So much better.
Hold on. Tell us more. Go to Skin Select. Get your teeth done. Look at him smiling, guys. Look at him. Are you happy?
Yeah, they look so much better.
Look at him, guys. He can't stop looking at himself. This is what he left me for. Look at
Can't drink.
alcohol.
I can't drink anything cold for 24 hours.
You're like warm tequila.
Yeah.
Look at it. I look like this, and he gets to be smiling all the time. He's so happy right now. I thought he had white teeth, but now they're like you can't tell the difference between those flowers and him. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. How long would it take to see the results? Like tomorrow we'll start seeing it. What would you say, Dave? Like when could you tell the difference in my pores?
What?
Like last time, how soon could you tell the difference in my pores?
Probably the next day.
Yeah, because
I was trying to think of what you were talking about.
my skin, not your
Yeah, maybe
not your
like 2
teeth.
days after your face stopped getting red.
Yeah, because tomorrow I'll get to wash it off.
It looked like baby skin.
Like he would get up all close and be like, whoa, because like I used to have really big pores up here and here, and after this they're like gone. It's crazy. It's like magic. But if you guys are in Florida, I highly recommend come seeing her. She is amazing. She's so sweet, right? But she does a lot of stuff. So if you follow her on Facebook or Instagram, you can see everything she does. Aside from obviously the vampire facials and teeth. Where's your teeth? Let's see him again. He's so happy. He's been like wanting to do it for like since I've known him. You really only do this 6 to 9 months. Like I did this maybe like it had to have been April because it was right when like COVID started going crazy. So yeah, probably since April. So almost a year ago I got this done. Yes, Brittany. And if you guys do call to make an appointment or even a consultation, let them know that you guys saw it from here because they'll give you a discount. Did the teeth whitening hurt, babe?
Not like maybe like right here a little bit, but not really. I fell asleep.
You fell asleep.
Well, now it's just like this, and you just hear like, just like a humming motion.
So like one tooth was sensitive?
It was just like right here, but that
But
was after.
probably cavity.
That was my second time. No, it was my cavity. It's where I got, I don't know, percolitis or whatever they call it.
What's percolitis?
You can see it.
She's in Tampa, Diana.
It's where my gums kind of.
Oh my god, that's gingivitis, babe.
No, it's just where the ointment was on my tooth.
Oh.
Or on my gums.
We made him a dentist appointment next month, and we all take votes because we think he has a cavity.
Oh, bro. Get out of here.
He's been to the dentist in like 10 years. But okay, guys, we're gonna let you go.
Who goes to the dentist?
Normal people go to the
Just
dentist.
brush your teeth.
My skin is very red because she just microabrased it. I'll be bleeding a little bit, like there's a little blood coming through. But I'll be red for like a day or two. Yes, it minimizes your pores, gets rid of your lines, helps curl feet, bags under your eyes, and it really makes sure, like, if you don't like foundation, this will make it better because then your skin won't need it. Or if you wear foundation, it's going to go on a lot more smoother. It's Skintellect. I have everything pinned in the description. Oh yes, don't forget to vote. But okay guys, I'm gonna let you go. We are gonna head back. We have a 2-hour trek. Depending on the signal, I might go live while we're driving to curl my hair with you guys. But if not, I'll see you all later. So thank you guys for joining me, and you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye.
Oh, sorry, shit. Bye, have a good day.
Bye guys.